Alright, so we're gonna drain this. Ridiculous. 3/8 drive. Yep. Hope I don't get oil all over my phone, but it is what it is. Hold on, bro. Let me switch the angle. Hopefully you don't get oil all over you. You see it? It's right here. 3/8 drive. Golly. Boo, 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 boo. Yes. Yes. Beautiful. Look at that. Oil filter next to the drain plug. Beautiful. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing, mate. Beautifully made. Props to GM for putting it in the same vicinity, you know? And then you lube up the seal. It don't matter if it's old or new oil. Just make sure you can spin it off later. That's all that's what it's for. That's all it's for. Nice and lubed up. Let that drain. It's gonna drain for a minute because it's 0-20. See this? Take that out. All filters off. And then nothing but routine, baby. Nice and easy. If you even want, bro, you could just, I think there's a Buick Encore. I'm not sure. A little oil filter. Take it. Do that. A little sequence. And you got nice and lubed up. You can even do the extra mile and put your finger around it. That's what we're about to do. As long as you can take it off later, that's all it's for. I don't believe in filling your oil filter. You don't need to do that shit. You don't need to fill your oil filter up. Because, bro, when you start the car up, the oil filter pickup will pump it. And when you have pressure, it will filter out that oil, bro. That's all you need. Why the hell would you put oil in here for? You're just getting dirt in it with your dirty ass hands that you pick your booty hole with. This shit's a myth. Plastic junk, bro. Yeah, it's gonna last. It's gonna last. Shit's gonna fucking break, bro. It's plastic. Heat on, heat off, bro. Over time, it's just gonna crack, bro. What the fuck? Stupid. Yeah, and this too, torquing it down. You think plastic's gonna last? After freaking torquing it down, it's gonna crack. There's gonna be micro cracks, bro. It's bending. You don't even need to torque that down because there's like a little plastic lock-in. But hey, I'm not an engineer. You need a degree to be an engineer. You need to pay college hundreds of thousands of dollars to design shit like this, bro. College is a fucking scam. all set for the next degenerates to touch this.